Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. Or welcome if you're new. In today's video I'm gonna share with you 52 cute and aesthetic drawing and doodle ideas for your bullet journal, your journal or your sketchbook. If you want more creative inspiration and ideas every week, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join me on my creative journey. Now, grab your journal and start doodling with me. The first doodle is a little paper airplane. Next is a flower with some washi tape, as if the flower was taped onto the page. Doodle number 3 is a simple leaf, followed by some paint splatters and a brush. To stick to the art theme, number 6 is a little paint tube. I did add some stars and moon illustrations onto the bottle, as I did name the color night sky. You could also do flower doodles or trees for a green color name. Number 7 is a little cute envelope. Next we draw another flower and add a round shape around it to make it look like a flower inside a light bulb. Now onto a little postage stamp. And a moon and cloud theme. For doodle number 11 we create a little cinema or concert ticket. Next is a cute little Polaroid and a star constellation. Now on to some little washi tape samples. Here you can get creative with the pattern. Number 15 is a strawberry doodle. And 16 a little postage stamp with a moon illustration. Next, I drew a circle with a little mountain scene to create a wax seal doodle. For number 18, we draw a mushroom. And for 19, a little teacup. Next is a fold back clip as well as a paper clip. Our next doodle is a different approach to the paper clip by adding a flower. Doodle number 23 is a little garland with a few Polaroids hanging onto it. Now our next doodle is another envelope. This time it's open and filled with flowers. Next is a little pencil. And a different approach of the pencil by adding a vine of leaves around the pen. The next doodle is again artist themed. It's a jar filled with different brushes and pencils. For number 28, we draw a strawberry plant with 2 strawberries. Now onto a little simple rose doodle. Number 30 is a small eraser and number 31 is a pair of cherries. Next is a different spin on the light bulb by adding a moon and night sky in the middle. The next doodle idea is a small vine with some leaves. For number 34, we draw an open book and let flowers grow out of it. Number 35 is a little ladybug. And 36, a steaming hot cup of coffee. Now on to some moon phases and a little sun illustration. "39 is a simple crystal, and 40 the yin and yang symbol. Next is a little roll of washi tape. Some sparkles and a little bee. "44 is a folded paper boat. And next is a cup with plants growing out of it. Now on to a simple open book doodle without the flowers. And another little envelope, this time with a note. Next is a moon framed by flowers. And the next doodle is a slice of watermelon, which is perfect for summer. And for doodle number 50, it's a little bottle with a glowing crystal inside. And for the two bonus doodles, the first one is a super easy tea bag. And the final aesthetic doodle for today is a little Saturn planet doodle. I hope you found some inspiration for your journal in today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And leave a comment down below what kind of doodles you want to see more of. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to join me on my creative journey.